Hello everybody, I am Mr. Tariq, Mass Development in Arabic Arrow Language School. We are going to talk about finding limit of function with using long division or scientific division. First, we must know factorizing by grouping. To factorize by grouping x power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1, you can use factorize by grouping, take two factors together. So, you can take x power 2 with x power 3 and a negative x minus 1 together. So x power 3 plus x power 2 between two brackets plus negative x minus 1 between two brackets. You can take x power 2 common factor. So x power 2 bracket, you will find the remainder with x plus 1. You can take negative common factor, so negative common factor, it will be x plus 1. You can take another common factor, x plus 1. It will be x plus 1 common factor, so the remainder will be x power 2 minus 1. By factorize x power 2 minus 1, so it will be x plus 1 and x power 2 plus 1, it will be x plus 1 and x minus 1. Look to the factors x plus 1, repeated x plus 1 and x minus 1. So the factor of x power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1 is x plus 1 and x minus 1. You have three factors, one of them are repeated. So I can divide the expression x power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1, divide x minus 1 or divide x plus 1. Let me remember the long division, how we can use long division to factorize. Look to the example. X power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1, I will divide it by x minus 1. To use long division, we can take the first term, x power 3 with the first term. So x power 3 divided x, it will be x power 2. So the first step, divide the first term with the first term. X power 2, you will multiply x power 2 with x and negative 1. So the second step, multiply. X power 2 times x, it will be x power 3. X power 2 times negative 1, it will be negative x power 2. The third step, subtract minus x power 3 minus x power 3, 0, it will be cancelled. X power 2 minus negative x power 2, it will be 2x power 2 minus x minus 1. We will repeat it the steps. 2x power 2 divided x, it will be positive 2x. 2x multiply x, it will be 2x power 2. 2x times negative 1, it will be negative 2x. Subtract 2x power 2 minus 2x power 2, it will be cancelled. Negative x minus negative 2x, it will be positive x minus 1. X divided x equal positive 1. 1 multiply x, it will be x, 1 multiply negative 1, it will be negative 1. Subtract x minus x equals 0, negative 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So, the factorize or the long division x power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1 over x minus 1, the result or the quotient will be x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. There is another division called synesthetic division. Synesthetic division, we use the factor, the coefficient of the expression. Our expression is x power 3, x power 2 minus x minus 1. The coefficient 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. Or we can use this example. The value of x or the coefficient of x is 1 and x power 3 coefficient is 1, x power 2 coefficient of negative 2, x power 1 coefficient 0, and absolute term coefficient is 1. So we'll use the synesthetic division. First, drop the first 1, multiply 1 times 1 equal 1, add negative 2 plus 1, it will be negative 1, multiply 1 times negative 1, it will be negative 1, make addition, 0 plus negative 1 equal negative 1, multiply, it will be negative 1, add, it will be 0. The free term will be 0, so it will be x power 3, x power 2, no x, free term of x, and the free term from x is 1 plus 1, and here x plus 1, x plus 1. So sorry, x minus 1. So the value of the result will be 1 multiply x power 2, 1 multiply x power 2, it will be x power 2, and the negative 1 multiply x, it will be negative x, and negative 1 multiply absolute term equal negative 1. So the quotient will be x power 2 minus x minus 1. I will write it here, x power 2, x power 3, sorry, plus x power 2 plus 1, sorry, minus 1 is closer to x power 2 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 minus x minus 1. If you divide it by x minus 1, we use the synesthetic division to solve this problem. First, I will make stop the video.